Well, in the last episode, we finished painting the frame on the truck, but I never actually gave you a reveal of what the truck actually looks like. So, well, here it is.
Ta-da!
Well, it was at this point that I noticed I had missed a couple of spots, so it was time to break out the airbrush and clean those spots up. There we go. Got our little box down there that was missed a lot of that with the big gun. So closer. Now we're gonna put some batteries and stuff back in. All right, we gave the bumper a shot of, well, we actually rolled on a bed coat liner, and not 100% sure I like it. So at some point that may actually be getting redone. And with some minor hernia-inducing effort, we got this thing back on. Future note, if you ever decide to pull this bumper off, go ahead and not have the cab tilted. Okay, so now we need to build some bracketry for the reverse polarity module for the battery, the transmission brain box ECU for that, and then we have over there, we have the cab leveling, our cab height adjustment bracket, or switch, or whatever you call that, so that we know, so the cab will know what height to go at. And we have the ether start bottle bracket that's going to go right on that side. So we're just going to cut up the original tire carrier and just use that hoop portion, the back hoop portion of it, because I mean it's already built and it already works, so let's reuse it. So we bust out the plasma cutter and immediately try and kill ourselves. Oh, that was a pain in the butt, getting these things cut off the right angle, the same angle on both sides. Next, we got to make some templates to fill in the holes in the end of those pipes. A short chunk of welding wire makes for a great handle. Ta-da! I don't even know what to say. Primed. And now for the reassembly. Let's see, there we go. As always, we use plenty of Loctite.
and torque to Fat Man Jiggle specifications. Take a moment to admire the fact that we grabbed the wrong wrenches. And try again. And even more Loctite. Practice being a contortionist. Install the battery reverse polarity protection module.
Oh, come on, you son of a bitch.
Here we see that we bolted the reverse polarity module over the top of the ether start solenoid and pinned it against the transmission.
Damn it. Kidding me.
So now we get to remove it and try that again. And with a little more swearing and a lot more struggling, I also realized I needed to remove the cab leveling bracket that I just put on.
What a pain in the ass.
With the ether start bracket out of the way, I decided to replace the battery isolator bolts with stainless steel hardware, so I'm doping them with a little bit of anti-seize. However, by far the hardest part of this project was getting this stupid little air cleaner boot on.
Oh, there we go. Whew.
And now we add the air cleaner. If I ever have to move this again, I'm going to remember to remove the air filter.
There we go.
Mount the ether bottle holding bracket. Remove the dust cap from the ether bottle solenoid and slide in the ether bottle. Secure the retaining strap and put the dust cap in the dust cap holding bracket. Okay, we got ourselves a bracket that has been made out of the carcass of the spare tire carrier. So thanks for watching.
Join me in the next one when we actually try and get the gas tank repainted and put back on the truck while it's sitting over there chooching away with its non-methylene chloride paint stripper on it. There we go.
Oh, Jesus. Step off the truck. Oh, Jesus. Put the oil all the way to the ground.
Put that in the oops category.